Hey everyone, this is TRUNNANO, a seller specializing in construction material innovations. Today, let's unravel the mystery of a miracle material, hydroxypropyl methylcellulose HPMC, and see how it's making a splash in the world of concrete. Imagine an additive that can change the properties of concrete like magic, making buildings stronger and longer lasting. That's where HPMC comes in. It's a high-performance polymer widely used in the pharmaceutical, food, and cosmetics industries. But did you know HPMC also plays an integral role in construction? The first surprise that HPMC brings to concrete is a significant improvement in its workability. With the addition of the right amount of HPMC, it's like injecting a soul into a cement slurry, making it much more fluid and malleable. This is a boon where delicate work is required, such as when making complex precast elements or restoring historic buildings. It reduces the rate of water evaporation by forming a protective film that prevents early drying crack from occurring. This property not only extends the life of the building, but also reduces maintenance costs. At the same time, due to its good water retention, it makes the internal structure of concrete denser and improves compressive strength. In addition, HPMC improves the bonding of concrete, especially when lightweight aggregates or other special ingredients are added. This is like putting an invisible armor on the concrete, allowing it to remain resilient in the face of various harsh environments. The last thing that has to be mentioned is that the dream of green building can be realized with the use of HPMC. This is because it helps to reduce the amount of cement used and CO2 emissions, making a positive contribution to environmental protection.